Okay, out of 27 eggs, we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is number 14. He's hatched out. 13. I'm just going to help out here. Just back up for a moment. Hi, little turkey. Let's see if you're going to get a brother or a sister. You can go in here with the quails. It's nice and warm. There you go. Let's see what's going on here. Try and help this little guy out. Very sensitive operation. He can't get out himself for some reason. I don't know why. Helping a baby turkey out of its egg. He's gasping for breath in here because the membrane is sealed over his mouth. He's still alive, so I'm gonna try and get him out of here. So he can at least breathe properly. Trying to help this poor little guy get out. Worry about all these pieces of eggshells and stuff later. Gotta get this guy so he can get out himself. The membrane seems to be shrink wrapping around him. This is the only other one I can hear chirping in, but it could be more hiding somewhere, I guess. Poor guy's just stuck in here suspended. I think I'm going to close these up in case they're almost ready to hatch too. We'll check them in a bit. We'll get some paper towel and see what we can do for this guy. At least he's got his nose out there so he can breathe now. Try and get you out of here, little guy. That's a really strong membrane, man. I think we got some bleeding here. That's not a good sign. stuck right on his beak. I have to try and rip this. Hurt his, damage his beak. Oh, we got some bad bleeding in here. I don't know why he's bleeding so bad. Oh, this is scary. This is really scary. It feels cold too. Hope it's not him and just... That's a good sign. All that blood's a bad sign. Okay. Let me get him back in the incubator here. A nice warm incubator. He stands a chance of survival. Yeah. You see? He stands a chance of survival in here. Warmed up. Hopefully he's gonna make it.